What is up, guys? It is Noob Killer Mike here. Welcome back to yet another vlog. It is Thursday, 3:42. Just got out of track practice. So something ended up happening to my mom's truck, so I actually have to go pick her up from work. And she doesn't get out till 4. It's currently 3:42, like I said. So headed over to go post up at her work for a little bit, and then not really sure what I'm doing for the rest of the night, but I will talk to you guys later. Because I'm super forgetful, I forgot to set the time for when the vlog was supposed to be uploaded. So, vlog was supposed to be up at 3. It is currently 4:36, and it's up now. Alright, so now that we got that taken care of, it's raining, and we're headed off to the gym. You go shoot a little. Alright, so somehow Colin and I ended up at Alan's house. And we're building a desk. And it's 9:20 on a school night. But we have a half day tomorrow. It's okay. Lighting for the vlogs. So we managed to get this drawer done and put some nails and things and a rail. It was a lot harder than we expected. Alright guys, so it is now Friday. I haven't vlogged all day, and it is actually 12:40, so technically it's Saturday. But right now I'm outside of the Lavender Bar, where I just finished up karaoke. It's ridiculously late. I gotta drive home now. I'm gonna stop over to the CVS over here and grab a Monster, and then I'm headed home. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so it is now Sunday. Yesterday I went to my track meet, and it was really cold and windy and cloudy, and that's why my face is red, which doesn't make any sense because it was cloudy and I got a sunburn, but my face really hurts. And then after that I went to work till about 12, and then came home and knocked. I was so exhausted, so very little vlog footage from yesterday, but right now I'm actually headed back to work for a little meeting that we're having, and then we're gonna go from there. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, so back home from the meeting at work. This vlog is very short, and I'm really not doing anything for the rest of the day. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I apologize for it being so short. Hopefully with vacation being this week and whatnot, I'll be able to get the vlogs a little bit longer. Anyway, I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and always remember to just stay killing it.